The Chevy BrightDrop is one of the most unique and versatile electric platforms on the road today, but to truly unlock its potential, you need more than just interior space. You need something to carry your cargo and to solve those other space issues outside the vehicle. And that's where the NorthHitch from Torklift International comes into play. We are proud to introduce the NorthHitch, the one and only front-mounted hitch available for the Chevy BrightDrop EV. Using precision 3D scanning, our team engineered a solution that integrates perfectly with the BrightDrop's unique frame. The main cross tube stays completely concealed behind the bumper, preserving your factory look and every inch of critical ground clearance. At Torklift, we're based in the Pacific Northwest, so we know how quickly rain, mud, and road salt can take a toll on your equipment. That's why we've implemented our patent-pending stainless steel receiver. It's built to resist rust and corrosion for the long haul, ensuring your hitch remains as rugged as the vehicle it's mounted to, no matter the environment. With an estimated 750 pounds of tongue weight and 7,500 pounds of towing capacity, it turns your BrightDrop into a multi-tool. From heavy-duty e-bike racks and cargo trays to winches and snowplows, this hitch is built to handle it all. Final weight ratings will be uploaded to our website at a later date once our in-house engineers are done doing their testing. We've kept the installation of the NorthHitch pretty straightforward. We're utilizing factory mounting points and it requires no drilling or no fabrication, making this NorthHitch for your BrightDrop 100% DIY friendly. If you're looking for the most exclusive and durable way to get the most utility out of your BrightDrop, be sure to give us a call or visit our website to pick up your NorthHitch today.